Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make epic videos in minutes with CapCut templates. So if you want to create epic videos in just minutes, here I'm going to show you how you can use CapCut templates to instantly make professional, trending edits without complicated steps. And it's perfect for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Here I'm going to show you two ways of using CapCut templates. The first one is just the default templates in here. So once you open CapCut mobile, you'll see the templates options in here, and then you'll see lots of options of templates that you can use. There's also a category at the top. There's speed, meme, pro, fun play, status, animation, vlog, and others. So you can just choose which one that you want to use. For example, I'm going to go with this one. You can click on the templates that you want to use and then just hit on use templates in here. Then just fill in the templates with your photos and videos. After that, you can preview the result first and you can just export it. And if you want to save it for later, you can also just choose the template and you can hit on the save button in here or the love button, and you can find it later on your profile. And here there's also a new feature called AI Lab, and there are also AI video templates that you can use from here. You can see this spa capybara, sky commander, beach swagger app. So you can just choose which one. For example, I'm going to go with this templates. You can click on the templates again and just click on the try AI template, and here you'll see the prompt. You can modify it, or you can just click on this to start creating the AI video using that template. So whether you are a beginner or a pro, CapCut templates will save you time and help you create scroll-stopping videos fast. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more CapCut tutorials, editing hacks, and creative video ideas. And also don't forget to click on the thanks. I'll see you all on the next videos. Bye!